राजितं निर्विकल्पं सदसदखिलभेदातीतमेकस्वरूपं प्रकृतिविकृतिशून्यं नित्यमानन्दमूर्तिं विमलपरमहंसं रामकृष्णं भजामः। निरूपमं अतिसूक्ष्मं निष्प्रपञ्चं निरीहं गगनसदृशमीशं सर्वभूतादिभासं त्रिगुणरहितसच्चिद्ब्रह्मरूपं वरेण्यं विमलपरमहंसं रामकृष्णं भजामः। वितरितुमवतीर्णं ज्ञानभक्तिप्रशान्तिः प्रणयगलितचित्तं जीवदुःखासहिष्णुं नितसहजसमाधिं चिन्मयं कोमलाङ्गं विमलपरमहंसं रामकृष्णं भजामः। Pranams to Sri Ramakrishna Deva, Holy Mother, Sharada Devi, Swami Ji, Swami Brahmananda Ji, Swami Ramakrishnananda Ji, and all the devotees and disciples of Sri Ramakrishna. Respectful namaskar, pranams to our sadhus, our sannyasi brothers, elder brothers, and dear devotees of the Holy Trio. It is a privilege to be here. Especially it is difficult also to talk to you because we are coming regularly, you are coming regularly, and you are attending different lectures. You are reading regularly from Ramakrishna Vivekananda Vedanta literature. You know many things. I sometimes think I know a little, very little quantum I have in my stock. I also read, due to old age, I forget many things. Anyhow, Sri Ramakrishna Pranam mantra, it is written, Sthapakaya cha dharmasya sarva dharmas sarupine. These are the two real attributes given by Swami Vivekananda. He had come to establish dharma. Dharma was there, but dharma decays, declines. Then Lord God incarnates in the form of human being to remind us what is dharma. The essence of dharma is God is real. Everything is unreal or transient. God was, God is, God will be there. But we are born, we grow, we become old, and we actually die and disappear. This is the difference between God and other things, world. So Sri Ramakrishna came to establish this. Swami Brahmananda Ji says one day a gentleman came and told, please speak me, say me in a sentence, what is God or what is the essence of religion? Then Brahmananda Ji says, Thakur said, Brahma Sattva Jagan Mithya. Understand this. After that, Sri Ramakrishna kept silent. He did not talk anymore. This is the real thing. Dharma is this, to know that God is real. Trikala Abadhita Satya. Truth. It was in the past, it is in the present, it will be or God will be in future to come. So Sri Ramakrishna came to establish this. He demonstrated his life. His life is a demonstration of Godhood. And he made us understand what is God, how God can serve or help His children, devotees, and remove their disasters. We know Sri Ramakrishna himself went to see one Jamindari area of Mathura Mohan Vishwas. Mathur went to that area, Kalai Ghata, Ranaghat, Nadia district, to collect tax from the villagers, where he was the owner of those land and then those jamindaris. So he went with some of his force also, with big sticks. If they do not give tax, they will be beaten and tax will be collected forcibly. They could not give tax for 2 years consecutively because there was no production. There were drought, they could not get any product. Seeing their body, their physical condition, Sri Ramakrishna started weeping, shedding tears, and told Mathur, you have come to collect tax from them, exempt the taxes for 2 years. Mathur asked, how can I run the kingdom, Jamindari? Sri Ramakrishna told, the Jamindari is not yours, it is Mother's, Mother Kali's. Sri Ramakrishna says in the Gospel, God laughs, smiles when two brothers quarrel and put a rope and say that on this side, this land on this side is mine, the land on this side is yours. The boys do not know, the brothers do not know that all land belongs to God. When I used to come from Malda to Murshidabad, Sargachi, then in the morning I used to see vast field on both the side. And I used to ask my driver, do you know whose land is this? He used to tell, how can I know? The vast land may be of thousands of people. Then I told, no, all these belong to Govinda Ghosh. God, Govinda, Lord Govinda's land, everything. This is actually Sri Ramakrishna. Sri Ramakrishna said, the Jamindari belongs to Mother. Actually, everything was Mother's. We know Sri Ramakrishna, how he came to Dakshineshwar. Rani Rasmani, with all his family members, staff, they were going to Varanasi to have darshan and to offer puja to Lord Vishwanath and Annapurna Mother. But on the night, on the eve of their going, she heard a voice, you need not go to Varanasi. You erect a temple, serve me. I will accept your food even, whatever you offer. With much difficulty, obstruction of the Brahmins, Rani Rasmani got the whole temple built, and she could get one pujari only, the elder brother of Sri Ramakrishna, Ram Kumar Chattopadhyay. He did not act like other Brahmin priest. Since Rani was a Sudrani, she belongs to the Sudra group, labor's class. Her father was a labor. So anyhow, Ram Kumar Chattopadhyay agreed. Ram Kumar also gave a prescription that you offer this to your Gurudev, and in the name of Gurudev, you run the estate. So Rani did this, and Ram Kumar Chattopadhyay, elder brother of Sri Ramakrishna, joined Dakshineshwar temple as pujari. After 1 year, he passed away, and actually this is also Mother's play. Sri Ramakrishna gradually became the pujari of Dakshineshwar temple. Then he started his spiritual sadhana deeply. He started in the early age also. Kamarpukur had 2 burning ghat, 2 cremation ground. There he used to go at night when he was a boy only, teenager. Then when Dakshineshwar he became pujari, he had ample scope for worshipping and testing, examining the mother, image of the mother. He was testing whether mother is living or not. Gradually, many saints, teachers of different religion and sect of Hinduism, they came to Dakshineshwar. From them, Sri Ramakrishna actually got training, spiritual training, practiced sadhana in different ways and realized the truth, God is one. But the saints call it in various names. Ekam sad vipra bahudha vadanti. So Sri Ramakrishna, by his own life, experienced this truth. This is actually dharma. There are many ways to go to a place, and the goal is the same. We need not quarrel with each other. So Sri Ramakrishna practiced sadhana himself, had vision of mother, prayed to the mother, Mother, please lead me to different path and show me your other forms. And this happened in his life. In this way, Sri Ramakrishna one day got a vision of Mother Kali, who said, you have come to establish a new religion, a new cycle of religion, Navajuga Dharma Chakra. You have to start. And for this, you will have followers, qualified boys, qualified devotees will come to you. He knew that his time was over. He will live only up to the age of 50. So he used to call from the roof of Kuthibadi and spread his arms and he used to ask, where are you, my dear children? Come, come, I am waiting for you. In this way, Sri Ramakrishna called Naren, Rakhal, Sharat, Baburam and others. The lay devotees, householder devotees, Sri Ma, Girish Chandra Ghosh, Surendranath, everybody came gradually. And along with them, Jagin Ma, Golap Ma, Gopalir Ma, Durga Ma, other Gauri Ma, they also assembled, centering Sri Ramakrishna. And they made a spiritual group, and Sri Ramakrishna used to talk to them, sometimes separately to Naren and others. And he gave mantra, our seed mantra, Jive Daya Noy, Shivagyane Jiva Seva. Not mercy to poor people, serving God in man, serve God in man, whom we call by error man, is not a man only. In physics, in him or her, there is the Spirit of God. God is everywhere, especially in human being, his manifestation is more. Vidyasagar, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar asked a question, whether God has given special power to someone, no power to someone. Is this a partiality? Thakur says it happens. God is there, but manifestation is different. You have some good qualities, so people come to you. I have also come like this. And then Sri Ramakrishna gave this mantra, I said. It is written in the book in the year 84, while discussing on Vaishnavism, Name Ruchi, Jive Daya, Vaishnav Pujan. Hearing the word Jive Daya, Sri Ramakrishna entered into Samadhi. After coming down from Samadhi, he told, who are you? To show mercy or serve Jiva. Serve Jiva as Shiva. A gentleman is there now staying at Delhi, Sudhanshu Ghosh. I asked once, what are you doing? Will you not take mantra? Then he said, from Swamiji I have taken a mantra. I have not been formally initiated. Serve God in man. Really, this gentleman does this throughout his life. Now he has attained more than 70 years, but for last 40 years I am seeing him, he is doing this only. He spends about 40%, sometimes 50% of his income for the welfare of the people, poor children. Wherever there is need, he goes and helps, mostly through our different centers. Delhi, Malda mainly, they are doing good work, so he goes and helps. Actually, this inspired so many people. They have not taken initiation, formal, but the thing what the devotee initiated should do, some are doing this without taking initiation. Sometimes I think Thakur may be indirectly or Thakur has given them darshan and gave mantra which they do not disclose to us. Otherwise they cannot do such miraculous work. Really, I saw a rickshaw puller, he used to save 20,000 rupees approximately per year and distribute study materials to about 250 children. I attended his, actually this giving ceremony, study material giving ceremony, special ceremony used to be held. When I was at Malda, I went 4 to 5 times. I called him at Institute of Culture, Sutradhar, one publisher, arranged this. They gave his travel cost. And on the stage, Vivekananda Hall, he was taken and he was asked, have you seen God? Initially, one sentence only he told, no, I have not seen God. Second sentence was, yes, I have seen God. I have seen God in poor children who have difficulty in their studies. So I help them and I see the faces, smile, a face of them, and I find God in them. Really, God is there in everybody. It is the teaching of Upanishad, Ishopanishad. Ishabhashamidam sarvam yat kincha jagatyam jagat tena taktena bhunjita magridha kasya siddhanam. God is everywhere, thinking this, serve others and enjoy the life. To whom the wealth belongs, all wealth is also God's. Tena taktena bhunjita, by renunciation, by giving, you enjoy. This is called Ubuntu principle in Africa. Children were being examined. An anthropologist found them and arranged for a run of 100 meters. He kept a full basket of sweets. He asked, when I tell ready, steady, go, then run, about 50 children were collected. Who reaches first will receive all the sweets of the basket. Nobody went alone. They went together, catching hold of one another hand, ran together, and then around the basket they stood and took sweets and started dancing and eating. The anthropologist asked, why did you not obey me? Then they told, Ubuntu. What does Ubuntu mean? How one can be happy when others are sad. Then they told another thing, I am because we are. I cannot live alone in this world. Everybody helps us. We know the sweepers who used to carry our stool in old times. The open toilet, they used to collect. Ladies were called in Hindustan Mathrani, Rashik Mathar of Dakshineshwar we know. Vijay Krishna Goswami was a devout, very devoted religious man about whom Sri M writes many times. He used to come to Sri Ramakrishna. Vijay Krishna Goswami used to go for preaching religion, dharma, from one village to another. Before leaving one village, he used to call the Matharani of that village, sweeper, lady sweeper, and ask her to sit, and then he used to offer pranam at her feet. Each time, one village to another. So really, God is in everybody. Upanishad said, the same Lord, same God, Brahman, whom we call, is in everybody. Tam stri, tam pumanasi, tam kumara utaba kumari, tam jirna dandena vanchasi, tam jato bhavasi, vishwato mukha. Vijay Krishna Goswami, not only Vijay Krishna Goswami, our Sri Ramakrishna, Holy Mother Sharda Devi, Raja Maharaj, Swamiji, Shashi Maharaj, everybody saw this. They realized this, that God is in everybody. Lastly, one of my senior brother, we were very close to each other, Santarupanandaji, went to Portland to assist Swami Asheshanandaji, mother's disciple. When he saw Asheshanandaji, one day told Vishwanath, his name was Vishwanath, do you see God in this plant, in that flower, in that bird, behind the window? I see Sri Ramakrishna everywhere. Try to see Sri Ramakrishna in everybody, in every being, everywhere. Vishwanath Maharaj, really, he told, I am very fortunate to be with him. A man, a sadhu of that stature. Mahapurush Maharaj's disciple, Swami Dhanatmanandaji, was my Tantradharak during Durga Puja. One day after Kumari Puja, we do Chaushatti Yogini Puja, 64 Yoginis worship. Then there is Koti Yogini Puja, crores of Yoginis, associates, Sangini of Mother Durga. When we did offered flower and Naivedya offering to Chaushatti Yogini, Maharaj asked me, do you want to see Koti Yogini? Koti Yogini, do you want to see? Who will not seek to see? I told, yes, Maharaj, please show me. Then he pointed out his finger, indicating his finger to the large number of devoted mothers of different village, city, even other states. They assemble to see, witness Kumari Puja at the Belur Math during Durga Puja day, Ashtami day. In the morning, 9 to 10, there will be Kumari Puja each year. So, showing the mothers, he said, they are the crores of yoginis. Then he told, they come each year with Holy Mother Durga, Goddess Durga. Believe it. Then I remember from Sri Chandi, Ja Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Matri Rupena Sangsthita Namastasya 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 Namo Nama. So Sri Ramakrishna came to establish this religion, which is Sanatana Dharma, the religion of the Hindus. It is universal religion. Vedanta also was preached by his life and his disciples' lives, and he was Sarva Dharma Sarupa. He was actually the embodiment of all religion, of all gods and goddesses. Sthapakaya cha dharmasya sarva dharma sarupine. He was the embodiment of all religion, all scriptures, all gods and goddesses we may call. Sri Ramakrishna was like that. We are very blessed that we have got chance to come to Chennai Math, and in the temple you, all the devotees, come regularly, visit and sit in front of Sri Ramakrishna's image, statue, and pray to him for the welfare of yourself and others. This is our duty. We are to work for him. Karmanyevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. So we will work in the spirit of Sri Ramakrishna, in the form what he did in his life. Personal life will be very spiritual, pure, honest, truthful, sincere, and along with that, we will help others as much as possible. I was very happy or pleased to see our dispensary yesterday. I saw many old mothers who are doctors. They are serving in the dispensary yet, in spite of their old age. Similarly, volunteers I have seen. One mother retired from her service of college lecturership. Professor, she joined after retirement, and I saw in one room she is sitting and registering the names of patients, calling them. This is actually the worship of God in this form. So here in our ashramas, many persons are there who are with us. I thank all of them, and I pray for all of you who have assembled here, to Holy Mother, to Thakur, to Swamiji, Shashi Maharaj, Raja Maharaj, to bestow their choicest blessings upon you. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya, Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya, Mittur Ma Amritam Gamaya, Abirabir Maedhi, Rudrajatte Dakshinang Mukham, Tenamang Pahi Nityam. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Tat Sat. Sri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.